is Anderson's Nutrition and the second episode in the Gut Biome series. This video and the next will focus on the various factors influencing gut biome health. Throughout our life, the gut biome is always changing in response to what is happening around it, and the results can be beneficial or damaging depending on the influences involved. So let's begin with the environment. And while we are definitely talking about what surrounds us in our environment, we want to look at it like, what all do we introduce to our biome? What do the microorganisms in our gut have to live with? So let's start with number one, antibiotics and other prescribed drugs. Antibiotics are designed to destroy microorganisms causing bacterial infection. Unfortunately, any bacteria living in our guts, both good and bad, suffer the consequences, even if they aren't the bacteria responsible for the infection. Not only does this leave us without our helpful little worker bugs, unwanted microbes have the opportunity to increase their numbers due to a lack of competition. And it's not just antibiotics. Many other drugs, including antipsychotics and anti-inflammatories like steroids, also degrade the biome. Number two, heavy metals. We absorb heavy metals through our skin, the air we breathe, and the foods we eat. Toxicity to the point of causing harm to human health largely depends on exposure and our body's ability to combat the exposure. And this is where gut bacteria come in. They can metabolize heavy metals into less toxic versions. Alternately, if our guts are full of bad bacteria, these bacteria can actually generate more toxic versions, which is clearly something we don't want. Number three, pesticides. Large production farming often rely on pesticides to protect their plants from insects and other organisms. It is believed that this application is safe for humans because the targeted pathways of the pesticides do not exist in the human body. However, this theory does not consider the impact on our gut bacteria, as they are ultimately exposed to those same pesticides too. Number four, food additives. Food additives like artificial sweeteners, emulsifiers, and preservatives are poorly metabolized by the human body and thus added to foods with pre-approved safety limits. However, similar to agricultural pesticide use, our gut bacteria's health was not considered when establishing these limits, even though it is the bacteria that are actively involved in the metabolism of these additives. Number five, smoking. We all know by now that smoking is not good for our health. If we are just focusing on the gut biome, smoking negatively alters the biome, the actual environment, by degrading the intestinal mucosa, otherwise known as our lining of our intestinal tract, and simultaneously reduces our microbial population. So next, let's take a look at age. Microbiome development begins in utero, and mode of delivery even determines which bacteria will dominate the gut initially. For example, cesarean deliveries transfer bacteria from mom's skin versus the gut bacteria introduced during vaginal deliveries. And then as we age, our environment, our diet, and our lifestyle all contribute to gut biome changes. But advanced age is often associated with altered nutrient intake. Nutrient intake can change due to declining dentition, when the ability to chew our foods appropriately and without pain decreases. Decreased salivary function, when our salivary glands minimally prep our body for digestion, altering digestion and increasing transit time. And along with age-related changes, sensory changes also occur. The ability to taste and smell often declines with advanced age, which can cause foods, even our favorite foods, to become unappealing. Changes in diet, whether it is the amount of food or the types of food, will alter the gut biome, which in turn can alter our overall health. And that will do it for environment and age. Check out the next episode to learn about the role diet, lifestyle, and genetics have in gut biome health. You can find a link in the description below to read a companion post with references. Thanks again for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.